Welcome to Blackout 911. It's just me today. My name's Steve. We're gonna put some Welcome to Blackout 911. My name's Steve. It's just me today, and today we're gonna put a lot of stuff in a car. I had to take all this equipment out of another vehicle. They got a new one, and they want all their equipment put back in. So that's why there's a freaking mess over here. Yeah, so there's cables everywhere. This isn't the way that I would like to do it, but since we've taken all this stuff out of one vehicle to put in another, I try to use what is usable, but a lot of it not usable. Interior bars aren't bad though. If I'm taking stuff out of one vehicle to put in another, I'd rather have an interior bar than an exterior bar. Just makes it a little bit simpler, less holes going through everything.
Did you bail on the front because it's Friday?
I really don't feel like trying to figure out how to get that bracket to fit at the moment. So I guess, I don't know. Either way, it's got to get done, so I'll do it. But like, I want to get something accomplished today rather than taking time of figuring something out. So I'm gonna do what I know I can do at the moment. And you always gotta test it every time you put a new end on it, you know? So if you take it off, you have to put it in and gotta know it works still. This is for things we don't do, and it just takes up room, so we get rid of it. Not the whole box, just these cables here. These are all breakout cables for the lights and whatnot that are already attached to the vehicle. Plus I gotta take that off so I can styrofoam out. It is initial strip down. So normally on every car, like on the sides of these quarter panels and whatnot, that's pretty much the main area where most of the cables go through and whatnot. But since we always put lights on the quarter panels and normally put lights here on the hatch, because of that, it's just easier if I take the whole quarter panel and whole back out so I can run my cables and make sure everything's where it needs to be. They say size doesn't matter. That's an old looking light. Look how big it is. Casing for it and everything. We normally go in here close to the glass and whatnot, but since this thing's so big, can't do it that way. But hey, at least they're saving some money, you know. So if I would put it in there like this, or let's say we even flipped it around, that might not be as bad because I don't want there to be a bunch of flashback coming out whenever these are on. This is what I don't like about having to take stuff out of one car and putting in another, is that the way that we like to do things here at Blackout 911 is not the way that everyone likes to do things. I'm not saying ours is right or wrong, or theirs is right or wrong, but this does not fit the standards that we like to have. I mean, this is what they want, so it's not like I'm giving them something that they don't want. But I just feel bad doing it. The only reason I knew that is that's how I was on the boat. The USS Carl Vinson. CVN 70. America's favorite carrier, as they say.
And what'd you do on it?
I was an IC, an interior communications technician.
Was rougher on you doing that or doing this?
Oh, that for sure. Living on a boat and whatnot.
Where was your favorite place you went?
Favorite?
Yeah.
It would be between probably Singapore or Perth, Australia. Those are both pretty cool places. Great food. People are nice.
Where was the best food?
Best food? To be honest, I love the food in Australia just because it was like barbecue. And I didn't have that in a long time. Plus it was like $20 and I got some meal. There was like steak, alligator, I don't even know, but it was 3 plates, and like that would cost like probably $100 over here at the time. That was in what, 2016-ish, something like that. Oh, it was so good, so filling. PQP. That's not open. I wonder if there's one open. Like the pattern's not bad, and the light is fairly bright.
No butt connectors?
No, never. I shouldn't say never. We'll solder, heat shrink everything, make sure the connection's good. It's more professional that way, in my opinion, anyway. Just the way I was brought up, and that's the way other people here that work were brought up, so that's how we do it.